Hello everyone, welcome to Kiaan Technology. The MCQ system is also known as Manufacturing Quality Platform Designing to manage the production quality check, define the supplier to component in a unified dashboard. Let's start a login system. Here user you can securely log in there the credential also provide demo access and for the different role admin, quality management, production manager, inspire supplier through component handler, viewer each specific components. Like if I talk about this dashboard, there are so many total balance, remote pass, activity details, and components. And here you can see there are production menu also available here. When you click in this button, so the form is also open and you will create a form and define fill the detail, then you can save and there are also view the detail and here you can see total inspiration, fast fill and fast rate. Defect rate is also available in here, like you can see that login defect is also available here. And the companies, total companies, open revenue, capital, financial purity, and demo chart is also available here. And now second page is analysis, like overall efficiency, fast pass yield, total defects, escape rate is also available here, production output target, component solution trend. And when you click in this platform, so you can is also animated, fully animated, and supplier button is also available here. Like you can see that the design is also look like an professional, and this form is also pop up. And when you fill the form and save a detail in here, next is quality management. This is quality management dashboard. Total balance, fast rate, active defect, open components, daily capacity rejections, quality control menu is also available here. Like you can see that view detail, edit, and delete button is also available here. When you click in delete button, so pop-up is also coming here. And next is defect menu, like credential, major, minor, and cosmetic. This is also available. Here you can see that is. And next one is complaint trend, and this is also coming here, analysis menu. You know what is analysis menu. And next is menu, or next is total balance in progress, completed, rejected, new batch form is coming here. And next one is production quality management, like you can see. Next one is inspector management. This is also very creative and professional, like inspector, and search bar also available here. You can easily search the table and search the form. And next is supplier management login page. You can see that analysis management and supplier management. Next. And next menu, next dashboard is complaint handler. It is also very useful, and there are also used in daily life, that's analysis and complaint. And next menu is viewer menu are also available here. So this is dashboard. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's all for my side. Thank you.